number is 2024434 and I'm the leader of the group. Hello everyone, my name is Nur Dania Fasha. My student ID is 2024416086.
Hi, my name is Nur Dania Binti, Junior Speaking Toy, and my ID number is 2024274666.
What is compound interest?
Let's watch our video.
Next, I'm going to show you guys the problem statement of compound. One has a piece of land with a market value of 99,000 ringgit. He has two options: to sell the land now and invest, which offer an interest of 6.6% compounded monthly, or to sell after 6 years of 150,000 ringgit. What will you have? The market value is S, which is 99,000 ringgit. R equals to 0.066, T equals to 6, M equals to 12, N equals to 72. We will use formula S equals to P bracket 1 plus I bracket the power of N. The answer we will get is, I will advise Kuwon to sell because Kuwon will get the higher profit more than invest. Next, I'm going to show you.
Question number 2. An deposit RM 878 to an account that pays an interest of 8% compounded annually. 3 years and 6 months later, she made the deposit into the account. What is the value of the second deposit if she won? The account to be paid RM 2,504.50 2 years after the second deposit. As you can see, RM 870 is P as is 2,504.50 are equal to 0.08 divided 2 and get 0.04. T is 3 years 6 months and N equal to 3.5 multiply 2 get 7. Firstly, we have to use compound amount formula to find S for 3 years 6 months first and put the value into the formula. Then we got S equal 870 bracket 1.315931779 and we get 1144.86 for S. Finding the second deposit, we have to use compound formula also. As you can see, P for 2 years is equal to the second deposit. P is 1144.86 plus where the X is second deposit. Then 1144.86 have to multiply X and plus 1.170X and we got 1,339.32 plus 1.170X. Then move the 1,139.32 to the left side of the equation and get 1,165.18 equals to 1.170X. After that, 1,165.18 divided 1.170 equals to X. And the final answer is 996. 996 is the second deposit.
Nina invests 35,000 into an account of an interest rate of K compounded every 4 months. After 7 years, the account balance is 56,810.37. Determine the interest rate K compounded every 4 months. So the P is 35,000, S is 56,810.37. The N is 7 multiplied 3 equals to 21, M is 3, R is K. So I'm going to use formula S equals to P 1 plus I N. So we put the value into the formula and I'm going to get I equals to 0.0233. So find the rate, we're going to use I equals to R multiplied 3. And then we're going to get K equals to 7%. D, the total amount if the investment was extended for another 2 years. I'm going to use formula S2 equals to S1 1 plus IN. So we put the value into the formula and we will get the answer is S2 equals to 65,242.46. C, total interest earned for 9 years. So the formula is S2 minus P. It will be 65,242.46 minus 35,000. So the answer will be 30,242.46.
Next, I'm going to show problem statement. Mr. Haq traded his car for 33,000 ringgit and topped it up with his saving of 2,000 ringgit to buy a new car. The new car is 75,000 ringgit. He obtained a loan from a finance company to settle the balance of the purchase price. He has agreed to settle the loan by monthly payment to be made at the end of each month for 8 years. The interest loan is 50% compounded monthly. A. Find the monthly payment. A equals to 75,000 ringgit minus 33,000 ringgit minus 2,000 ringgit equals to 40,000 ringgit. A equals to 40,000 ringgit. M equals to 12. T equals to 8 years. R equals to 0.15. N equals to 96. I equals to 0.15 per 12. We're gonna use loan formula. A equals to R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I bracket power of negative n per I bracket. After we fill in the formula, we're gonna get RM 770 ringgit and 82 C. B. Calculate the interest charge. We're gonna use formula interest. Rn minus A 770 ringgit and 82 C multiple 96 minus 40,000 ringgit. I equals to 28,910 ringgit and 72 C. C. Immediately after paying the 80 payment, he decide to settle the balance of the loan. Find the balance. N equals to 96 months minus 80 months equal to 16 months. We're gonna use formula, loan formula. A16 equals to R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I bracket power of negative 16 per I bracket. After we fill in the formula, we're gonna get A equals to 10,351 ringgit and 17 cents. C. Immediately after paying the 80 payment, he decide to settle the balance of the loan. Find the balance. N equals to 96 months minus 80 months equal to 16 months. We're gonna use formula, loan formula. A16 equals to R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I bracket power of negative 16 per I bracket. After we fill in the formula, we're gonna get A equals to 10,351 ringgit and 17 cents. D. If he fails to pay the first 7 monthly payment, find the amount he has to pay on the 8th payment in order to settle the outstanding areas. We're gonna use feature formula. S8 equals to R bracket 1 plus I bracket the power of n minus 1 per I bracket. After we fill in the formula, we're gonna get S8 equals to 6,086.
So I'm going to show you a problem statement of annuity. A factory paid a 80% down payment to buy a machine that cost 142,000. The factory will pay 8,000 at the end of each 3 months to repay the balance of the purchase price. The interest charge is 30% compounded quarterly. Find the number of years needed for the balance to be paid in full. So the A is 142,000 multiplied 30% equals to 18,460. 142,000 minus 18,460 equals to 133,540. So the A is 133,440. R is 8,000. Rate is 0.13. N is 4. I is 0.13 multiplied 4 equals to 0.0325. And N is 40. As you guys can see, we're going to use this formula. So we put the value into the formula. So we're going to get T equals to 21.790 multiplied minus 4. So we're going to get T equals to 5.4 years.